Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial. Within this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can generate the RGB value for any color in the style section of VS Code at a CSS file. So all you need to do is to just simply open any tag. For example, if I want to add a color in body tag and I write here color. Once I do that, you're gonna see this value. And now here, first of all I need to do is to just simply add any color. For example, if I say red, once I added red, now here in this small section which is showing the color, just simply tap over here, and from here you can see the RGB value of each color. You can manually select any color and you can find the RGB value of color from here. And once you are satisfied with the color setting, just simply hit enter and you can see the color settings has been applied, and you can see the RGB value of the color currently applied color. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.